Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says two integers are selected at random from the set this 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 11. Given that the sum of selected number is even. So, sum of selected number should be even. Okay. The conditional probability that both numbers are even. So, we have to find out the conditional probability that both numbers are even. So first focus on sample space. Okay, now look at this. So they are saying that you have to select two numbers whose sum should be even. So first number is 2. 2 is the first even number, but you cannot select 1 and 1 because you have to select two numbers. Okay, two integers. You are selecting only one integer and you are repeating twice. That is wrong. So 2 is not the game. Now 4. So if it is 4, you can go with 1, 3. Correct? Now you cannot make 4. Now 6. So if it is 6, you can go with 1, 5. Okay, it is selection. The arrangement is not making any sense. Okay, so for 6, 1 and 5, and then 2 and 4, 3 and 3 is not allowed. So 6 is done. Okay, now we have 8. So 8 can be done by using uh, yes, 1 and 7. Then we have 2 and 6. Then we have 3 and 5. Then we have 4 and 4. That is not allowed. That is restricted. Okay. So you cannot go with this idea. Now 8 is done. Now we will go with 10. So if it is 10, I can go with 1 and 9, then 2 with 8, then 3 with 7, then 4 with 6, then 5 with 5. That is not allowed. Okay, so 10 is done. Now 12. So 12 is yes game. So 1 and 11 is yes, 12 is yes. Then 2 with 10, yes, 2 with 10 is also yes. 3 with 9, 4 with 8, and then 5 with 7, yes, and then 6 and 6, which is not allowed. So this is done. Now we have, this is 12, 12 is done. After 12 we have 14. So if it is 14, you cannot go with 1 and 11, that is 12. So you can go with, if 1 is rejected, I'll go with 2. So 2, 11. 2 and 11 is 13, which is not an even number. So 3 and 11 is 14. Then we have 4 with 10, 14. 5 with 9, 14. 6 with 8, 14. Then 7 with 7, that is not allowed. Okay, so 14 is not in a game. Now we have 16. Okay, so you know that I cannot go with 1 and 11. 2 and 11 is 13, rejected. 3 and 11, 14, rejected. 4 and 11, 15 is rejected. Then 5 and 11 is selected. So 5 and 11 is 16. So 5 and 11, then 6 and 10, then 7 and 9, and then 8 and 8, which is not in the game. Okay, so 16 is done. After 16 we'll go with 18. So with 18, if I have to select 11, okay, I'll go with 7. Okay, so 7, 11, then 8, 10. Okay, then 9 and 9 should be rejected. Okay, because the numbers cannot be repeated, that has to be unique. Okay, now 18 is done. Then 20. For 20, I know that I have to go with 9 and 11. So this is 20, and 22 you cannot select. So this many numbers are allowed. Okay, now look at this. We have like I am going through this way. Okay, column wise. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 and 4 25. So the number of elements in sample space is what? NS is 25. Okay, now let's write down the required probability. Required probability. So total number of sample space is what? 25. Now we have to find out the probability when both numbers are even. So look at this. 1 3 reject, 1 5 reject, 4 2 is selected, then 2 6 is selected, then 2 8 is selected. Achha, look at this. This it is selected, then this is selected, and remaining numbers are odd. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 and 3 10. Okay, so it is 10 by 25. Therefore the required probability is 10 by 25. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.